Hello everybody, welcome back to another Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check your vehicle health on the XPeng car. So I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now here, what are we gonna do is we're gonna click on the vehicle icon right at the bottom to open vehicle settings. Now you wanna make sure that you're in the first category, which is the vehicle, and here we have the vehicle health. So as you guys can see, we got the 2.6 bar, around 2.6 to 2.8 bar, and now here you can easily check your um, tire pressure. So this is around 37 or around 38 psi, and this is the normal inflation level for many modern cars, including this one. Now, you want to check with your car if your tire pressure is okay. Now, this is very important. Sometimes the tire pressure might be wrong, and sometimes you will have to use the inflation play card on the vehicle so that we can see if it is really 2.6 or maybe it's just glitched out. So here you can check your vehicle health. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.